Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to extract audio from your CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC timeline, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag our clip first. So this is our sample media. So we're gonna go and separate the audio from this one. So to do that, we simply need to right click on the clip, and then from here we can see um, extract audio right here. And as you can see right here in the extract audio, we don't have it right here because it doesn't have any sound. So let's just go into the library and see if we can have something with sounds right here. It's still downloading material. So as you can see right here in this clip right here, since it has a sound right here, so we can, when we right click on the clip, can extract audio, and when we click on it, and now we have the audio right here separated, and it's automatically added to your timeline. But if you're looking into saving your audio into your computer or just like that, so you can just go here in the export, and then from here, you want to go and click on export audio, check this, and you want to uncheck the video exporting so that it would only be saved as an audio for your MP3. And you can now go and select for the title right here and so on. And you can now click on export. And after that, you can now see that the file is now saved into your computer. So that is basically it. Thank you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.